Cheeseburger in paradise, milk on pickles and onion slice. Not too particular, not too precise, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise.
What is this? I don't know. Let's find out.
Food Service is selling Avon products in order to raise money so that we can pay off some of our outstanding bills we had from first semester. Normally at the beginning of the year we have a lot of startup costs like cleaning and sanitizing chemicals and some bigger supplies that we have to order in mass quantities. And we usually pay for those things over the course of the year by being open during food service. Well, since we haven't had food service for students and we haven't had food service for anyone for about 2 months now, we need to take care of those bills. We're also looking forward to hopefully opening up again for the student body. There's still some negotiations about that, but in order to do that, we're going to have to pay off these outstanding bills and get.
We're 3 students with food service that help put up the flyers around school to help sell Avon for the bills that we need to get paid off. So stop up and buy some Avon. We would really appreciate it.
I think I see something in the rear.
What is it? Whoa, where's my Camaro? I mean...
Hey, what's going on? I kind of like it.
Cheeseburger in paradise, milk on pickles and onion slice. Not too particular, not too precise, I'm just a cheeseburger in paradise. I make it, I make it,